All right, I'm in Wichita, going to Dallas, going to go bowl a tournament. It's a 180 plus monster, which means I am the monster, and then the other 3 guys on my team have to add up to 180. So there's going to be plenty of PBA legends in the building, like Chris Barnes, Pete Weber, Jason Couch, Mark Williams, Tom Baker. A bunch of PBA Hall of Famers are going to be in the building this weekend, so it's going to be super cool to finally bowl against the guys that I've heard so many stories about. But until then, I'm driving down to Dallas, and I'll see you guys at the bowling alley. All right, we just finished game 3. We shot 850, 840, 850. It's time to step up. We went from first to third, and we won our total point. So less splits, more strikes, and Stu's got to make sure those messengers hit. Couple bad ones.
Nice pair.
Yeah, we went from one nice pair to the next. So this pair is minus for that game, so hopefully we can turn it around. For game 4, we bowled 820, not good. I shot like 249, but team struggled, pair hooked a ton, so we got to get back on it this game. I think we're probably in like 9th or 10th. They cut to 6. So we got 2 games, we got a lot of strikes to throw. So yeah, let's get to throwing. to 60. Team's looking good. We're probably going to be in like 7th. We got to get to 6th. We got 1 game to go. We're going to need about 900. We should need 900 with a win and some decent bonus pins. So we got some striking to do. We got to get Tom lined up a little better. But yeah, looking good. Definitely have a chance going into the last game. So that's all you can ask for. Hopefully we get a good pair and we can do some striking this game. All right, well, the tournament's over for us. They are currently bowling the round of 8 down there, but we finished 13th. We caught some bad pairs, some bad breaks, and unfortunately for me, just some bad shots down the stretch, but honestly, good tournament, had some fun, got to bowl against a lot of the guys. As you see, a lot of older senior bowlers that I've heard stories about, watched on TV when I was growing up, so that was really cool, and yeah, good tournament for me. I thought it was fun, had a good time down here in Dallas, and I'll be on my way back to Wichita tomorrow. Until the next one, see ya.